Hello and welcome to another Void XRC video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we'll be unboxing the WLtoys Vortex. Its model number is A959-B. Now this was sent out to me for free by rcmoment.com. I will have some links in the description below. So just wanted to give them a shout out for sending it to me for free for a review. So now that that's out of the way, let's just have a quick look at the rest of the box. Not really too much on it. So let's just get right into it. I've already had this open, so nothing's tied down still. So first thing, having a little adapter, so I can use their power adapter in North America here. Instruction manual, a little cross wrench on the back. The vehicle itself. And we've got the little charger and the power adapter. And then we have the radio. Fairly simple, nice, light radio. Got your steering and throttle trim there. Trigger and steering wheel, obviously. And takes 4 AA batteries. Alright, let's have a look at the vehicle itself. So it's a 1/18 scale little buggy. It has a big motor in it for its size. Let's have a look at that. Let me just take this body off. So as you can see, it has a nice big 540 brushed motor here. And the battery's right there. So this big motor should push this little buggy pretty fast. I believe on the website it says it's good for 70 kilometers an hour. We will definitely be testing that out to see if that's true. One thing I am impressed with is the tires are a pretty soft, sticky rubber for what I was expecting something a lot harder and just not as good. So I'm definitely a bit impressed with the tires. They definitely feel pretty good. I do like that. As you can see, it's got metal dog bones for the drivetrain, all front and rear. There's no oil in the suspension. That's expected though. I didn't expect oil in suspension. I expected it to be just basically cheap springs, which is what it is. You can see it doesn't have the proper 3-wire servo. It's got one of these 5-wire servos. So if you're wanting to upgrade the electronics, you would need to remove the speed controller and the servo, but that's not what we're here to talk about today. So it doesn't have the best ground clearance. As you can hear, it pretty easily bottoms out, which is not unexpected again. There's no adjustment on any of the links, so you can't adjust them unless you were to buy some aftermarket tie rods or something. Overall, it seems fairly good. I can't wait to get out and do a first run with this. I may end up just putting that on the back of this video. We'll see how it goes. So as you can see, we still have some snow out here, which isn't really the ideal conditions to run this, especially for the first run, as it's not waterproof at all. So I really do not suggest running this in snow or any sort of wet conditions. But it's the only way I got to do it right now, so let's just get it done and see what this thing can do. It's quite fast. Oops. It is very hard to get the power down.